Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes, and today I have a delicious brunch recipe for you that's good any time of the day, especially if you're feeling hungry and you have these very few ingredients on hand. Now I love shakshuka. Shakshuka is basically eggs poached in a delicious tomato sauce. I wanted to make a green version of that and incorporate sort of the flavors of Spinach in there, so I'm bringing to you today my green eggs, no ham. The ingredients are so few, they're all on the counter. Let's go over them so we can start. So we're gonna need some fresh baby spinach leaves, salt, pepper, a little bit of feta cheese, a garlic clove, we're gonna use a little bit of onion, of course some really good quality fresh eggs, a little bit of butter, heavy whipping cream, and crushed red pepper flakes are totally optional. We are going to begin by chopping up the onion. All I need is about 1/4 of an onion. And I'm gonna add this to my pan with a little bit of butter. I'm also gonna season it with just a little bit of salt. It's gonna help draw out all of the moisture from the onion. And I'm gonna cook this for about 8 minutes or so, or until the onion is nice and soft. In the meantime, I'm just gonna grate this garlic clove so it can be ready. Everything needs to be ready because this dish moves really fast. And next, I'm just gonna chop up these baby spinach leaves. I love to buy baby spinach because it comes nice and clean and it's very delicate. And I'm just gonna roughly chop it. Now you need about 2 to 3 handfuls of this. It looks like a lot, but really spinach wilts down to almost nothing once it's cooked. Now I'm using spinach greens, but you can mix this up with your favorite baby greens. You can put some arugula in here, some Swiss chard, some baby kale. Oops, almost lost that egg. The onions are looking a little bit dry, so I'm just gonna put about 1 tablespoon of olive oil in here. It's gonna help the butter cook the onions. Once they're soft, we're gonna move on to the next step. So the onions are beginning to become golden and they're nice and soft. Now I'm gonna add the garlic. And I'm just gonna warm it through in the pan just for a few seconds because when garlic is grated, it can burn quickly. Once you smell it, it's ready. Now I'm gonna add the spinach in a few batches. Each time one batch wilts, then I'm gonna add the next one. And I'm also gonna season with some freshly ground black pepper. See how the spinach has wilted down? Now we're gonna add some feta cheese. I'm just gonna crumble it over the top. And a couple tablespoons, maybe 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. This is a perfect low-carb brunch option. And in every good cream sauce, I forgot to mention that we are gonna need some nutmeg, just a little pinch. I'm also gonna season very lightly with a little bit of salt because the feta is quite salty. You don't wanna over salt this. Some more black pepper. And now we're just gonna add the eggs in. I'm gonna make 2 little wells, one at a time. I'm gonna season with a little bit more salt. And now I'm gonna cover the pan. I'm gonna reduce the heat to very low, and I'm gonna let the eggs cook for about 4 minutes or until the whites are set and the yolks are still gonna be a little runny, and I'll show you what that looks like as soon as it's done. So once the white is set and the yolk should still be runny, that's how you know it's done. It's gonna be nice and bubbly and almost caramelized around the edges. Now at this point, I'm just gonna hit it with just a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes. Adds beautiful color and a little touch of heat. If you don't like red pepper flakes, leave them out. Instead, you can throw some fresh dill on there or a little bit of parsley. In under 15 minutes, you have an elegant, very delicious brunch ready. Now this brunch can be turned into breakfast, lunch, or dinner because it's a complete meal and it's so delicious and it's low carb. So if you're on any low carb diet and you want something special, this is the recipe for you. If you're thinking about making this for a crowd in a bigger batch, I would suggest that you cook the onions and you saute the garlic and put the cream in a bigger pan, and then transfer it into an oven-proof baking dish, and then just put the eggs on top and bake it in the oven, keeping an eye on them. Just wait until the egg white is set, just like we did, and the yolk is still runny. Make sure not to overcook them, because as soon as they come out of the oven, they will continue to cook, and you don't want the egg yolk to become hard and overcooked, because the runny yolk, it adds just a lot of richness to the sauce. I'm gonna go in and give this a taste. So delicious. I think you're gonna love it. The spinach is perfect and nice and creamy. The onion adds a perfect sweetness to this. The feta cheese, of course you know how much I love my feta cheese. It goes very nice in this. It gives it almost like a Spinach type flavor. Go ahead and print the recipe on dimitrasdishes.com. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and I will see you all next time. Yes, us.